Hello and welcome to the first video tutorial on how to edit your website using Cubit. Cubit is the self-editing system that we've developed in order to give you the power to edit your own website from any browser, anytime, day or night. First step is to log in, and you log in by going to your website /admin, and that's all lowercase ADMIN. Once you get to the login screen, you'll see the Cubit logo in the upper left corner, and you'll see the password field. If you've logged in once before, it'll store it, which you just basically hit login every time. So we're going to click login. The first thing you'll see is the main home screen for the editor. On the left side you'll see the list of pages, also known as the buttons on your website. What that is it's in the order of the order your buttons are on your website. So the home usually is on top. If you want to reorganize the order of those, you just click on the up and down arrows on the right side, and you can put them in different order. I'll sample that for you real quick. Let's move About Us down below Services. Just hit the down button, and they move down. And if you want to move it back up, you just hit up, and it goes back up. Another area is the Create Page button, the Create Link button, Create Form button. Create Page does just that. It creates a new page from scratch. Create Link creates a new link to an outside page off of your website. For instance, if you wanted to send someone to I don't know, Google, or to one of your affiliates or anything, you just click the Create, set the link to where it goes to, name the button, and that's it. Create Form will create a form for a customer to fill out on your website, and it's pretty self-explanatory. We'll get into that in later lessons. View Site is very important to have open. First thing I do when I go in to edit a website is I click the View Site button. It opens up the front end of the site, which is what the visitor will see, and then I switch back to the editing tab, and I usually have two windows open at a time, one for the front end and one for the back end. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the page to edit it. We're going to go to the About Us page, and when you click on the About Us page, the editor loads, and you'll see the content that's on your website. At this point, you can just drag your cursor across the text and change it. You can make it bold, italic. You can change the color of the font. You can change the font itself. You can change the size of the font, and pretty much the same as you would in Microsoft Word. And of course, you can also undo. So if you hit undo each time, it will take you back to the beginning, or go back one or two steps. You just select the text that you want to justify. Let's say you want to center justify it. It'll do that for you. And you can select a photograph, and you can right justify so that it shifts all the text around it to the left. And of course undo. And let's say, for instance, you want to add some text. Testing the editor. Then you select the text, make it a larger font, make it red, bold, italicized, and then you hit save. Once you've hit save, it tells you successfully saved changes to About Us. Then you switch to the tab to view your page on the front end. Go to the page you just edited, and there it is. Now if you're already on the page, you'll have to hit refresh so you can pull the new copy of the page from the server. But you'll see how quick and easy it is to edit the wording on the website. And that's about it. Now if we were going to want to change it back, just hit backspace, then hit save, and then go back to your tab, refresh, and it's gone. So that's how that's done. And this concludes the first video tutorial. The next lesson is going to be about working with photographs and uploading images. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.